here with my sister Denise. Again, we're going to just have a chat about microneedling. Denise is going to come up with 3 of the most popular, frequently asked questions that she gets in the clinic, on the phone or by email, or clients coming in Havana Skin Clinic for treatments, who do home rollering or who do professional rollering. So we'll probably just go through 3 of the top most. We'll kind of see time-wise how long each question takes to answer. Try to keep it nice and sweet and short. My name is Caroline Hooper, Certified Skin and Laser Specialist, and I'm also Clinical Director of a chain of clinics across Dublin. If you're interested in microneedling, check out the link below and get your microneedling ebook, which I've provided for you completely free. Welcome back to another tutorial, and if you're new, please subscribe.
Okay. So one of the questions that a lot of people would ask is what products...
Did I introduce you?
Yes.
Okay. Did I say your name?
Yeah. So clients would kind of mainly ask what products should I use while home rolling that would suit my skin best.
Okay. So that is probably the top question actually. I think you've got that right.
Yeah.
Understandably, you'll be very wary what products you can put into your skin after you've after you've created microchannels in your skin, because you do need to be careful that your skin isn't going to overreact to any products that you're putting in. So first and foremost, I always recommend never to apply any products on your skin when you roller your skin, unless your skin is used to using that product. The only one product that you would probably be safe to introduce to your skin for a first time when rollering would be hyaluronic filler. Any other product, I would say definitely have your skin tolerant to using that product, maybe for a week or 2 prior to needling. But when it comes to what other products you can use, hyaluronic filler being the top one, and then that's so weird. I was going to say, because I just read a message. That's so weird.
Who commented?
Dano. That's so weird. That's weird. Okay, so yeah, hyaluronic filler being the top one because it's natural to the skin. You're not going to have your skin overreacting or getting any irritations from the treatment, and it's also a great product just to induce into your skin. It binds itself 1,000 times in water. It plumps the skin, it gives the skin firmness, and it's super hydrating, and it's full of antioxidants as well. But also another product that we would recommend, we use in our professional treatments, but also recommend to our clients who use our Image ADS home roller, would be the lightening serum. And this would be particularly for clients who suffer with uneven skin tone or pigmentation, which I do. Now, I generally still do roll with hyaluronic filler, but maybe I'll change it up the next time and use the lightening serum. I'm just so addicted to hyaluronic filler that I kind of stick to that myself. But what would be the recommendation that you would give when a client asks?
To be honest, I'd say hyaluronic because that's what I do myself at home. But when you're saying lightening serum, now and again I would use lightening serum myself.
You would?
Yeah. It's kind of really what's in your drawer, and it's more the serums that match to go with it. And then I apply probably the max cream after at night. Yeah. If it's rolling at night, during the day, definitely. Not so much.
Yeah, max cream, what Denise is saying she would apply on after rollering, is it's got a lot of stem cells, and that helps with the production of collagen, so that's a great one to be getting right down into the dermis after you've rolled. But I mean, the lightening serum is a hugely popular product, so most people and most of our clients who would be tuning into this video would have the lightening serum if they're coming in for laser hair removal treatment on the face. It's a product that we recommend with laser. So if you are one of them clients and you have lightening serum at home, it's not necessary that you have to go and invest in the hyaluronic serum as well, because they are quite expensive, especially if you're using Image skincare range. Use your lightening serum, it's going to work perfect for you.